Hi everyone. Subscribe for our latest astronomy updates. December is full of surprises that go beyond the usual events that occur at this time of year. First and foremost, there is a total solar eclipse. December is a month with two interesting meteor showers, the Geminids and the Ursids. Unfortunately, in 2021 none of them benefit from good conditions to be observed. But don't be discouraged because this month brings other photographic opportunities that are worthwhile. Also, don't forget about star trails because it's a type of astrophotography that you can practice all year round. Here you have the complete list of the most important celestial events happening in December 2021. December 3rd, conjunction of the Moon and Mars. Mars passes at 0.4 degrees south of the Moon at 0:28 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -8.9, and Mars at a magnitude of 1.6. At this time the Moon phase is 2.6%. December 4th, total solar eclipse. The Moon passes in front of the Sun, creating a total solar eclipse from 5:29 to 9:37 UTC. Totality occurs at 7:33 UTC. Although this information depends on your position within the path of totality. So use apps and links in description to plan in detail the total solar eclipse. The path of totality and the partial eclipse are only visible in Antarctica. Please be cautious and use a solar filter along with a pair of solar eclipse glasses if you plan to observe or photograph the total solar eclipse of the Sun. December 4th, new moon. The Moon is between the Earth and the Sun, so the bright side of the Moon is facing away from the Earth. The Moon phase is 0% at 7:44 UTC. The days around new moon are great for photographing the night sky and star trails. In December the galactic center of the Milky Way is no longer visible, but you can photograph the thinnest part of the arch of our galaxy. December 7th, conjunction of the Moon and Venus. Venus passes at 1.5 degrees north of the Moon at 0:48 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -10.4, and Venus at a magnitude of -4.7. At this time the Moon phase is 10.8%. December 8th, conjunction of the Moon and Saturn. Saturn passes at 4.1 degrees north of the Moon at 1:50 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -11.0, and Saturn at a magnitude of 0.5. At this time the Moon phase is 19.6%. December 9th, conjunction of the Moon and Jupiter. Jupiter passes at 4.3 degrees north of the Moon at 6:11 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -11.5, and Jupiter at a magnitude of -2.3. At this time the Moon phase is 31.2%. December 12th, Comet Leonard's closest approach to Earth. Comet Leonard's closest approach to Earth happens on December 12, 2021 at 14:13 UTC. At this time the Moon phase is 65.4%. The estimated magnitude is between 5 and 4, remember that the lower the magnitude the brighter it is, and at this time of the year it is close to the horizon, producing great composition opportunities. At its brightest, it's low in the west after sunset or in the east before sunrise. Comet Leonard is initially visible from the northern hemisphere, and then becomes visible from the southern hemisphere between December 2021 and January 2022. December 13th to 14th, Geminids meteor shower. The meteor shower runs from December 4th to 17. But the best night for photographing it is the one between December 13th and 14th. The peak is on December 14th at 4:38 UTC with 120 meteors per hour. At this time the Moon phase is 79.3%, so the conditions to enjoy it might not be very good because of the moonlight. This meteor shower is visible in both hemispheres, although it's weaker in the southern hemisphere. December 19th, full moon. It's time to enjoy the last full moon of the year. The Moon is on the opposite side of the Earth so the Sun illuminates it completely. Full moon is at 8:59 UTC. Full moon days are perfect for photographing it with an interesting subject. Get the most out of the full moon with this article. December 21st, December solstice. The December solstice is at 1545 UTC. This is also the first winter day, winter solstice, in the northern hemisphere and the first summer day, summer solstice, in the southern hemisphere. If you are in the southern hemisphere, take advantage of the longest golden hour and blue hour of the year. December 22nd to 23rd, Ursids meteor shower. The meteor shower runs from December 17th to 26th. But the best night for photographing it is the one between December 22nd and 23rd. The peak is on December 22nd at 1806 UTC with 10 meteors per hour. At this time the moon phase is 88.7%, so the conditions to enjoy it might not be very good because of the moonlight. But this depends on where you are on the planet or plan to photograph it. To figure out whether it's worth it or not to photograph it, use the meteor shower pill or the meteor shower layer in the planner to check local moonset times, local peak time and forecasted local meteors/h. This meteor shower is visible in both hemispheres, although it's weaker in the southern hemisphere. December 31st, conjunction of the Moon and Mars, also occultation. Mars passes at 0.6 degrees north of the Moon at 2013 UTC. The Moon is at a magnitude of -9.7, and Mars at a magnitude of 1.5. At this time the Moon phase is 5.6%. In addition to this, Mars goes behind the Moon on what's called an occultation.